I'm Ricky with Apple Valley Farm, and my hand is blue. Well, WD-40, it's good for what ails you. And if you have a hard time getting going in the morning, instead of deodorant, just use a little WD-40. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I'm going to walk you through my hand is blue. You're going to find out in just a minute why I've got the blue glove on my hand. A really good friend of ours gave us a jointer, and we've just been desperately needing one, but I haven't wanted to spend the money. Anyway, long story short, a good friend of ours passed one along to us, and it needs a little TLC, but it's just cosmetic. So today I'm just going to show you something I've generally shown you before, how to use a little WD-40 and some steel wool. We're going to make it clean and slick and get all that surface rust off of it, and then that way when we slide our work pieces across it, it's going to be just like butter. All right, let's take a look. All right, look at there. There is the bad boy. I'm so excited about this. All right, as you can see, this is it's an old Craftsman Jointer. As you can see, there's a lot of surface rust on here. We're not going to really get into taking components off and things like that, but this cast iron right here, we want to clean that up. And WD-40 and steel wool are perfect for doing that, and I'm going to show you. All right, so to begin with, I'm just going to knock a lot of the dust off of here. Get it reasonably dust free. All right, now let's get the WD-40 to it. Again, all of this cast iron stuff, this is exactly what we want to work on. And as you can see, this stuff that's not painted, it's oxidized, but it's just surface rust. So let's spray a little WD-40 on here. You can be liberal with it. And gonna let that sit for just a second. All right, we're gonna use some triple aught steel wool. Triple aught is just another way of saying 3 zeros. So triple aught steel wool, there's one grade more fine than this. Actually, if it was double aught, that'd be fine too. But triple aught is what we're using today. It's what I like to use. This won't harm the surface, but it'll get that rust off of there. And we just go through with a little pressure, not a lot, just a little pressure. So I want to keep doing this, with a little pressure until it feels smooth beneath the steel wool. You'll feel it when there's still surface rust there. All right, that took me all of about 2 minutes. And that's all we need. Now just with an old shop rag or a t-shirt, wipe this stuff off. Again, it doesn't have to be grease free, because actually that film is what's going to help keep this from continuing to rust after we finish this process. There we go. Look at that. It's already looking like 1000% better. All right, if you have a woodworking shop, you probably have some paste wax. Paste wax is one of those universal tools of the shop. There's almost nothing you can't do with it. But one great thing that it does is not just for finishing wood. You can take a little bit of this, get it on a shop rag, and now apply it to this surface. Apply it on here. Let it sit for a minute and dry out. Then we'll come back and buff this out and it will make this surface as slick as a button. Sawdust will fall off of it. Wood will glide across it. It will be a game changer. If you've never put paste wax on your work surfaces, you should do it and see the difference it makes. It is so worth it, and it is so easy to do. In case you've never used paste wax before, it's just like waxing a car. Put it on here, let it dry to a haze, then buff it off. All right, that was it. Very easy, and I've lost the blue hand, right? So, hey, thanks a lot for hanging out here with me for a few minutes. I hope you picked up something from this. Hope you learned a little something. We're doing stuff like this all the time, so if you like what you saw here, please like and comment on this, and please subscribe to our channel so you can come back and you can see us doing stuff like this all the time. Thank you again. Take care. Have a great day. See you next time.